Welcome to Emede channel. In this video we are looking at how to swap in Uniswap. So if you're a new viewer on this channel, you are most welcome. Remember to subscribe. If you're a returning viewer, thanks for watching our videos. Thanks for your time, and remember to like and comment. So basically, Uniswap is a decentralized exchange where you can use it either in MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Basically, most people use Trust Wallet, so I'm going to use Trust Wallet for this video. So if you don't have Trust Wallet, this is how it is. This is the updated version of Trust Wallet. So if you have not yet updated your Trust Wallet, try and update it so that I can get the current one. For security reasons, it is good to secure your wallet by updating them. So the first thing that will go to our Trust Wallet and put your PIN. Having put the PIN, this is the wallet. So which coin are we going to swap? But before then, let's check out the Uniswap. At this, you will see that this is the dashboard or the interface, user interface for the Trust Wallet. You can see you have the home, the swap, discover, and browser. So the first thing you need to do, go to the browser here. When you go to the browser, you can scroll up. You can see this is PancakeSwap. This is Uniswap here. So you can tap on the Uniswap and allow it to load. And wait for it to load. So once it loads, this is the Uniswap interface. So the next thing is to connect the wallet. Call it using Wallet Connect. This is Wallet Connect here. And select wallet. Then click confirm. There are many networks. So Uniswap operates in Ethereum network. So basically it's Ethereum we are going to select. Then click on connect. Okay, automatically it has been connected. So you can see showing Ethereum here. So this is what you are going to swap with Ethereum with any coin, or any coin with any coin. You select wires paying from and the coin you want to buy. So any coin you want to swap, you now click on select coin, select token. This has someone assuming you want to swap Ethereum to USDT. Tap on USDT. So and basically here we have 2.0.27 Ethereum here. So if you want to swap with all that you have here, click on maximum. You can see this is maximum of what you're getting, but this is basically if you want to swap a coin that is already in the Uniswap. But for instance, you want to swap a coin that is not in the Uniswap, that you need to import it. So the first thing you need to do is get the smart contract of that coin. If you don't have the smart contract, you can go to CoinMarketCap. Let's go to CoinMarketCap. There's a coin you want to swap. I'm searching out for the coin. We're going to swap this coin. So this is a coin that is a CoinMarketCap. If you scroll up, you can see contract Ethereum. You tap on this Ethereum, and this is the copy icon. Copy the copying icon here. Once you copy the copy icon, from there you have copied the smart contract. Now go back to the Uniswap. So instead of this USDT now, you can now tap and change it. Okay, let's search for the coin first, whether it's here. The coin you want to swap, you can see it's not showing here. Okay, it's showing. That's a nice one. That is a nice one. So assuming this coin is not showing, what do? You press the smart contract. Automatically the smart contract have pop up the same coin. So this is the two-way you can import. It's either you type the name of the coin. If the coin is in the DEX, it will show. If it's not there, you paste the smart contract as I've shown how to copy from CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. Then let's go. The next thing is I understand that I want to do this transaction. So now this is the amount of ether here I want to use. So you select how many ether you want to use for this, how many Ethereum, the value of Ethereum I want to use. So I want to use a little Ethereum for this. So let's see. Something like this. You can want to even add, make it so the next thing is you click on swap, confirm swap. Can we see the network fee is so high? It's 9 point something. I'm swapping on something of 2, but this is you need to check out this so that you will not end up swapping a huge amount of money for a little coin. So the gas fee is high at this moment. So what I'll do, I will come here and so that I can reduce the gas fee. Let me so that I can reduce it. If we go through, then let me see. Error too low. So basically, because of the gas fee is high, I may not control this transaction. I'm allowed to wait for the gas fee to drop, because basically once I click approve, this is automatically transacted. The purchase will be completed. So this is the final stage. In case if you want to buy, this is the final stage. But because of the gas fee here, you can see the network fee is $9.9, which is even almost times 4 of the money I want to use to just buy this coin for the purpose of this video. So basically that is how to buy in Uniswap, and that is why most time people buy coin from PancakeSwap because of the gas fee is lesser. So the gas fee here is high, so I may have to wait and so that the gas fee will come down. Basically, now let's check out how to add the coin. Maybe after you must have swapped the coin, how to add it to your trust wallet. So you click on this icon here up. Then let's type for the coin. Okay, it's not showing. So this is where you now need to use the smart contract. Click on this plus sign, then paste it. So this is it. This is the coin. Click save. So once this is done, the coin will come up. Look at it here. So basically, guys, this is how to swap in a PancakeSwap. So because of the high cost of the gas fee now, we didn't complete it, but that is the steps. Once you follow the steps, your coin have been swapped. So thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and share for more videos on blockchain, cryptocurrency, and online businesses. Let's meet at the top.